Tired of scrambling for cash to pay for your Grab rides, food deliveries, and more? You're not alone. Let's simplify your life by learning how to easily top up your Grabpay wallet. Grabpay is a convenient digital wallet that seamlessly integrates with the Grab app, allowing you to make cashless payments for a wide range of services. From rides and food deliveries to online shopping and even utility bills, Grabpay offers a convenient and secure way to manage your everyday expenses. Now, let's dive into the different ways you can add money to your Grabpay wallet. Top up via online banking. This is usually the most convenient method. Simply open your Grab app and navigate to the Wallet section. Select Top Up and choose your preferred bank. You'll be redirected to your bank's online banking platform to complete the transaction. Funds are typically credited to your Grabpay wallet instantly. Top up via debit/credit card. Another quick and easy option. Within the Grab app, go to Wallet and select Top Up. Choose credit/debit card and enter your card details. Confirm the transaction, and the funds will be added to your Grabpay wallet. Top up via over-the-counter, OTC. If you prefer a physical method, you can top up your Grabpay wallet at various convenience stores and partner outlets. Locate an OTC partner near you within the Grab app. Inform the cashier of the amount you wish to top up and present your Grabpay QR code. Pay cash to the cashier, and the funds will be credited to your wallet shortly. Top up via Grabpay kiosks. For a fast and automated experience, utilize Grabpay kiosks located in various locations. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the top-up amount and make your payment using cash or card. Your Grabpay wallet will be instantly updated. Tips and safety. Choose a top-up method that suits your preferences and lifestyle. Always ensure you're using a secure internet connection when topping up online. Never share your Grabpay password or PIN with anyone. Be mindful of potential scams and only top up through official channels. Benefits of using Grabpay. Convenience: seamlessly pay for Grab rides, food, and more with a few taps. Security: enjoy secure and cashless transactions. Promotions and rewards: take advantage of exclusive discounts and cashback offers. Easy tracking: monitor your spending easily within the Grab app. Topping up your Grabpay wallet is a simple process with various convenient options available. By choosing the method that best suits your needs, you can enjoy the ease and benefits of cashless payments with Grab. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.